Chengdu Usingwin Electronics Technology Company Limited, a combined enterprise based in Chengdu, Sichuan, specializes in integrated circuit chips, self-service payment kiosks, industrial tablets, smart touch display terminals, and computer hardware. Our affiliated factories, capability with a facility spanning 5,587 square meters and daily production capacity of 140 units. With 9 assembly lines dedicated to digital photo frames, industrial table PTs, touchscreen monitors, and multifunctional kiosks, we maintain stringent quality control through our team of 4 QA/QC inspectors. Our workforce includes 41 employees, 6 of whom are skilled R&D engineers, ensuring rapid development and conservation of new products. We offer extensive componentization services such as material replacement, label, packaging, color, size, logo, and graphic componentization. This enables us to launch new products in a minimum time frame, tailored to our clients' needs. Annually, we achieve significant output and sales figures, with 70% of our revenue coming from North America alone. With 6 years of export experience, our primary clients include retailers, engineers, wholesalers, brand businesses, private users, and manufacturers. Our products cover a wide range of public service sectors, including banks, hospitals, airports, and restaurants. We support personalized reservation and offer a wide variety of products. Our commitment to quality is backed by a 24-month warranty, ensuring customer satisfaction and reliability in our products. Chengdu Usingwin Electronics Technology Company Limited holds the CCC product certification, affirming our industry's recognition and commitment to high standards. Committed to providing efficient and intelligent self-service solutions to global customers.